It is my great joy to welcome students from NMIT to join our affordable new internship and upskilling program. We have two internships based on student interest. One is the Temple internship. Please see the related video that explains this program. The other is our prestigious Generative AI internship, which is for both students who want to pursue careers in generative AI after they complete their undergraduate education, as well as for students who are interested in higher studies in areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning, or use generative AI in research in many allied fields. Today, generative AI is expected to transform not just the IT industry, but also every other area of business and enterprise. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, wants to equip 2 million Indian engineers with AI skills by 2025. He believes that Indian engineers in this decade have a key role to play in AI innovation. Students can join our Generative AI internship program with a small initial investment of rupees 999 and can then begin to experience this revolution in technology by first training themselves on the tools and platforms necessary through our classes. This valuable introduction will provide both a refresher in Python as well as an introduction to data science, prompt engineering, and machine learning libraries. It would then also introduce them to the generative AI libraries. Finally, we will introduce our students to intelligent textbooks through our platform that has been built to use AI chatbots and audiovisual enhancements using our USPTO patented virtual overlay technology. This will allow students to build and enhance these textbooks and build on the technology so that they too can be innovators and creators of new generative AI services. In addition, they will be able to use our IT certificate app that allows students to prepare both for aptitude tests created by MNCs as well as for technical interviews. A brief demonstration of our AI platform and the IT certificate app follows. Please join our programs.
This is a platform, you can call it in context learning, wherein for a particular subject we provide all the resources. Okay, so for example, this is the textbook open, and what we want to do is we want to have a chat feature. Okay, so when the student is reading the textbook, he can ask the questions over the textbook. Okay, for example, I'm asking, okay, so I've asked the questions, what were the experiments conducted on lithium ion batteries? Okay, and the answer that I would get will be from the textbook itself. So also we'll be generating the summary. So we can generate the summary for the entire chapter. Okay, as well as we'll be generating summary for the videos. Okay, so for the textbooks or for the slides, we'll be having the related YouTube videos. Okay, and this will be there'll be many videos, okay, related to a topic. So what student can do is they can generate the summary. So the video may be of 1 or 2 hours, but they'll be getting the summary in 4 to 5 lines. Okay, so this feature is very useful when there are many videos, and the student can if they want, they can see the summary of each of the videos and then decide which video to watch first. Okay, and also one of the features is generating the Q&A. Okay, so wherein the lecturer will just ask the question over here and the answer would be generated from the textbook. Okay, and what the student would see is they would see all the list of the Q&As over here. Okay, so these are some of the features that we'll be working on. So if we have a particular PDF, okay, for example, we are on this particular page wherein it discusses about Archimedean property, and when we click on the YouTube, so basically we should get all the YouTube videos based on the content,
Archimedean principles.
based on the content that is there in the PDF. Okay, so these are like some of the videos, YouTube videos that we have got based on the content on this particular page. Okay, so we have a video over here based on Archimedean principle. Also, like we have videos on set and all. Okay, which is the content of this particular page. Okay, so we'll be doing all this kind of interesting stuff in this particular internship. This is a IT certificate app. Okay, so this is the revamped version of our previous app. So like previously we only had the courses like statistics for programmers, DSA, then data science, front-end development using Android, web development, backend, and AI/ML. Okay, so in this revamped version, what we have done is we have introduced 2 free courses. Those are Python and Java, and along with that, there is interview prep section as well. Okay, so let me start with the interview prep section. So when the student selects this, they get 2 options. Either they can go with the aptitude test, or they can go with the company test. Okay, so if they select the aptitude test, we'll be providing 9 different kind of aptitude tests. Okay, so those are psychometric, essay writing, visual reasoning, logical reasoning, okay, crypt arithmetic. So 9 different kinds of aptitude tests they can answer. Okay, and when they select any one of the aptitude tests over here, so basically they'll be given 3 options. Either they can start with the test, or they can go through some slides or videos regarding that particular aptitude test. Okay, so if they click on the video, basically the video will start playing explaining that particular aptitude test.
Hey, new video from Talent Battle. In this video, we are going to solve some.
Okay, so that was regarding crypt arithmetic. So similarly, like when they click on the slides, you'll be getting slides related to that particular aptitude. Okay. So once they go through the slides and videos and gain some knowledge, they can go and start taking the test. Okay. So this test will be MCQ based, and it will be a time bound test. Okay, so there are around 50 questions which they have to answer in 1 hour. Okay, so once they start the test, the timer will also start, and like they can go ahead and answer it. Okay, so and also like they'll be shown over here the questions that they have answered. So I'll directly jump to the last one. Okay, and at the end they'll be able to submit the test. Okay, and once they submit the test, they'll be given their score. Okay, and also the other details like how many answers were right, how many answers were wrong. Okay, and also they'll be able to view the solution. Okay, so we have the question part over here on top as well as the solution part below. Okay, and also we have indicated here whether the answer that they have given is right or wrong. Okay, so if it's a wrong one, for example this one, we also indicate the answer that he had marked, okay, that is in orange color, and the correct answer that is in green color. Okay, so the same set of features apply for the other aptitude test as well. Okay, so this was one part of it, that is aptitude test. The other part is the company test. Okay, so once they select the company test, what we do is we show all the list of companies over here. So these are both product based as well as service based. So based on your choice, you can either select product based or service based. So I'll select the service based over here. And once I do that, I'll be shown all the service based companies. Okay, and if I select any one, for example, I go with Deloitte. I'll be shown the rounds that are conducted by those companies. Okay. Now, for example, this particular company has 1, 2, 3 rounds. Okay. First one being written, the second one being technical. Okay, and again the third one being written. And we also mention over here like what all they ask in their first round, second round, as well as the third round. Okay, and like they can also get the questions asked by that particular company in the previous years. Okay, so these are all the questions asked by Deloitte in the previous years. Okay, so this is all that we cover in the interview prep section. So coming back to the course side, so once the student selects any one of the course, for example, I go with data structures, so I'll be shown all the topics that would be covered within the course. Okay, and once you click this, basically like you'll be shown the topics as well as its drill down. Okay, all the subtopics. Okay, and once the student selects any one topic over here, he will be given all the resources related to that topic. Okay, for example, I've selected graphs, so when I click on the textbooks over here, I'll be taken to that particular page number within the textbook where that topic is. Okay, so in my case it is graphs, and similarly I'll be getting the slides related to that topic. Okay, as well as the videos. Okay,
this is what a graph is and what are the terms we are going to have. So graph is always represented by a two tuple, V and E.
okay, so even in the case of video, it will start playing that portion of the video where the topic is. Okay, and once you go through all this theory, you can go ahead and take the assessment test. Okay, so here also like you'll be asked questions based on graphs. Okay, so you can, this also will be MCQ based questions. He can go ahead and answer, and finally he'll be given the score. Okay, as well as the solution. Yeah, so we have also integrated this with our Moodle platform. So like whenever the classes will be held, all the extra material that is the assignments and all will be uploaded here. Okay, so it will be uploaded on the Moodle platform, and students can access that content via this icon. Okay, so they'll be able to view the assignment as well as the submit them. Okay, so there is another feature that I want to showcase that is added recently. So let me showcase it with a different course. So I'll select Java this time. So we have the syllabus over here. Okay, and I'll go with iteration. Okay, and the I'll go with this topic, the for statement. Okay, so the feature that we have added recently is the code llama feature. Okay, so what student can do is like when they are going through the textbook, okay, and suppose like I'm just giving one of the use case, and suppose like if they come across one particular code, okay, which is not say explained properly, so what they can do is like they can just copy this particular code. So what I'll do is I'll copy this code and I'll open the code llama icon over here. Okay, and what I can do is like I can paste the code over here. Okay, and I can click on this idea icon. So once I click on the idea icon, I can I'll be getting all the features that is available. Okay, so here what I'll do is now for example I want the explanation for this particular code, so I'll select this, that is generate explanation for the given code. Okay, and I'll just submit it. Okay, so basically what you will get is you will get the explanation for this particular code. Okay, so this program takes the positive integer from the user and counts the number of its devices. Okay, so like you will get like all the parts explained over here. Okay, what you can also do is I'll paste the same code again over here, and this time what I'll do is, so this particular code is in Java, so I'll try to translate it into a different programming language. Okay, so I'll select this. Okay, and I'll type here Python. Okay, so you can type any language over here, and I'll try to submit this. Okay, so the same code which is written in Java, you will get it in Python over here. Okay, as well as so this is like one example wherein you're providing the code and you're getting the explanation for it. What you can do is you can also type in your problem statement using the natural language and get a code for it. Okay, for example, I'll try write a code in Java to print Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so here I get the code, like I get the class as well as the code over here, and also like there's the explanation given over here. Okay, so we have the icon over here. So like if you don't know what to do with this, we are providing all the options. That is, you can generate the code from natural language, or you can generate the explanation for a particular code, or if you find that the code is not proper, you can also ask for the fix for that code. Also, you can translate that code. Okay, so there are like some of the features that are listed over here.